How to download and install new settings through the Jabra Enhance Pro app. Prior to accepting a remote update, insert fresh batteries in your hearing aids and wait 2 minutes for full activation, or ensure you have at least 25% battery left in your rechargeable hearing aids. Open the Jabra Enhance Pro app on your smart device. Tap on My Enhance Pro. Tap on My Requests and New Settings. A new settings update will appear at the top of the screen in red. Tap Install.
Next, you will see a message from your hearing care provider and a summary of your online services request. Once verified, tap Continue.
Instructions for your installation will appear. Remove your Jabra Enhance Pro PM hearing aids and set them near your phone for the download. Tap Continue.
To confirm you are all set, tap Accept and Install.
During the download, a progress bar will appear. During this time, do not use your phone or any of its apps. Tap Close when the progress bar has turned green and installation is complete. Your hearing aids have been updated.